The question is that the equation 20x square is a quadratic equation is equal to 4kx minus 13kx square plus 2, no real roots. So it has no real roots. Is a quadratic equation. It's not in the standard form. The first procedure is to make it in a standard form. Standard form is first x square, then x, then constant. This is the standard form. It may be 2a plus cx square plus 3cx plus 14, whatever is there. So, but it is a x square, x, and the constant. So, let's write in a standard form, and the standard form is, so this is 20x square. Now this will come here minus 13 kx square. These are the terms having x square. Now this minus 4kx, this is the term having x, and minus 2 is equal to 0. So what we have is 20 minus 13k x square minus 4kx minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form. You can see this is the x square, then x, then constant. Now what we have is, this is the coefficient of x square, and this is the coefficient of x. This is called A, this is called B, and this is called C. You will find the question no real roots, real roots, or equal roots. So for that, b square minus 4ac, if it is no real root, it is less than 0. B square minus 4ac equal root is equal to 0, and b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. The reason of all this is, we know the formula for the root. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. We use this formula. Now in this formula, if this thing is negative, then the root of negative, you will find maths error, so it has no solution. We write it in this form, but what we are saying it is, it's a root of a negative number, which is not possible, so there is no solution. Now if this is 0, so it has only this solution, this plus minus disappear, so answer will be. But if this is say 49, a number, so root 49 is 7, so and suppose this is 3, so 3 plus 7, 3 minus 7 over 2a. So what you are going to get is, you are getting two solutions. So instead of saying this mathematically, what we say is, that b square minus 4ac, we know that if it is 0, there is one solution. If it is positive, two solution. If it is negative, no, so it's very simple. Now here it is saying no real roots. It's saying no solution. It means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That's how we write it mathematically. So for no solution, we are going to write b square minus 4ac. Simply we are saying that this is a negative, so it's less than 0. Now b is minus 4k square minus 4. A is 20 minus 13k and c is minus 2 is less than 0. That is what our equation is. Now the square of negative 4 is 16k square minus 4 times 20 is 80 minus plus 13k, and this all is multiplied by negative 2. So that is 16k square, this minus and minus plus 160, and this minus and plus is minus 26k is equal to 0. You can directly multiply here by 8. So plus 8. 8 times 2 is 160. This is 13. Why we have not multiplied this by? No, this has to be multiplied by 13 multiplied by 8. So that is 104. Let me rewrite it again, this one. So this is 16k square minus plus 8, 20 minus 13k is less than 0. Now this is 8, we divide all sides by 8. So this is 2k square again we are getting a problem here of minus 13. This is a minus 13. When it comes to this side, it will become positive. So 2k square plus 13k plus 20 is less than 0. 2k square plus 13k plus 20 is less than 0. So you have seen that that is what we are supposed to prove. Now we have to find the solution for this. So part B is we have 2k square plus 13k plus 20 is equal to 0. So we have this quadratic equation. So 2 multiplied 20 is 40. 10 times 4. This is 14. We need 13. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 and 5 is 13. Yes. So we can write it 2k square plus 8k plus 5k plus 20 is equal to 0. So we have 2k common, that is k plus 4 plus 5 common, k plus 4 is equal to 0. So what we have is 2k plus 5 and k plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have k is equal to minus 5 over 2 and minus 4. So these are our critical points. When you solve this inequality to make it a equation, make sure you write the critical points are minus 5 over 2 and minus 4. You must write this. From here we are going to find the solution of this inequalities. Now what we have here is, suppose this is a graph. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This is minus 5 over 2. This is the 1 point. And we have negative 4. Now we see the shape of the graph. This is a positive, so the shape of the graph is this. Now it says it is this. We generally know it is y is equal to this, and this shows that y is less than 0. Now this area is y is less than 0, this side. This is y is less than 0 and this is y is greater than 0. So the area we are covering here is this area. Y is less than 0, not the top part. And our bottom part is limited only from here to here. So maximum value is minus 4. So these are the one. This is not less than equal to. So this is our solution. So what we write is k is greater than minus 4 and less than 2.5 or minus. That is the solution for this. Thank you very much for watching.